Hello friends, welcome to Technique. As you can see, today I have got something new to unbox, and this is Honeywell's 1452G1D barcode scanner. This is wireless 1D barcode scanner. It is a preferred barcode scanner to scan the 1D barcodes only, and in wireless mode you can use this one. So this is a seal pack. Now I'm going to open this seal. Yeah, this is open now. Okay, here it is. The first thing which I'm going to see is the USB cable. Here is the USB connector, and this one is going to connect to your cradle. The cradle I'll be showing, that should be inside. Now it is a scanner here. The handheld gun is here. Barcode scanner. It comes with some guide. The guide is an important thing because you are going to get various kind of codes in it, which will help you to use this scanner in various mode. Let's see what's inside in the red packet. It is the cradle. It is the cradle. It is the cradle, and this cradle is going to get connected with this cable, and on one side the USB portion of this cable will be connected to your system's USB port or to your laptop's USB port, and this will trigger it to work as a Bluetooth dongle, and this will be on. Oh, I got it pressed with my finger and it produces a sound. Okay, so this is all what we get in a new box of Honeywell's Voyager 1452G 1D barcode scanner. There is 2D series of it also, but that is different. The cost of this is also cheaper than the 2D one, and it comes in Indian market at around 14,000-15,000 somewhere. And if you want to buy this scanner at a cheaper price, then you can visit cardcult.com. The link of the same is mentioned in the description, and I would request you people again to please subscribe my channel so that I keep on working on such kind of videos that will help us to get the better understanding about various things. So this is all from the unboxing of 1452G 1D barcode scanner. Thank you very much.